So this is an ABUS Brady 7140 Lockout Tagout Lock. So I'm keeping top of the keyway tension with a homemade turning tool. Okay, so I have a click on 1, 2, nothing on 3, small click on 4, small click on 5. So now I'm just drawing my tool out to see if I can catch that third pin on the way out. And I got it. Well, that went really well. I'm going to take this apart on camera just so that if anybody's watching, that I'm not taking any pins out or anything. I'm not trying to make it easier. I'm not cheating. I normally don't film these long content videos like this. So on the inside, it's just a Phillips head bit. That top housing slides off. Take your key out. Then there's everything you need right there. So I'm going to use the key here to take out the driver pins. I picked up this pinning tray on eBay for like $6. It was a really good buy. Really happy with it. Try to pull these out in order without losing any of them, which does happen sometimes. Just 1, 2. Come on. 3. Oh, 4. 5. 6. I did pick up these tweezers too recently. Really glad I did. I use them a lot more than I really thought I would. So I like using the right tool for the job, but don't just turn your head right here. Pop this off real quick. This is kind of why I don't film these long content videos, because I'm kind of slow. It just feels like there's a lot of hang time waiting for something to happen. Now I'm taking my pins out in reverse order. You got a spool, another spool, and I believe it's 5 spools, 1 standard. Spool. I haven't had any springs come out, so I'm just going to leave those in there. Oh, never mind. There's the last spool, and then this last one should just be a standard. And it is. So, just a little bit of evidence that I'm not cheating anybody. I'm not the greatest lock picker, but there is a video for you. I'll put the key up here with it, and then I'll zoom in real quick. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, like the video. I appreciate it.